Hello there guys, it's your boy DCS back again on another weekend. So this time, it's got 5 out of 10. I mean, this car's got 5 out of 10. I mean, it's not even a car, it's a truck. It's got 5 out of 10 and HW Hot Trucks, not the same without the hobby's flame. This is the 19 Ford Ranger Raptor, guys. This is such an amazing truck. I mean, compared to compared to the Ford Raptor, which is really humongous, this one's the little brother version of it. And it's got a lot of decals like built tough Ford and Ford Performance with the Hot Wheels decals. That's really nice, and it's also got side view mirrors, but I really don't like the tint. Yeah, I can't describe it all inside the box, so we gotta go for the unboxing. At the back, you haven't got much right here, just some Ford Performance things. So let's just go for the unboxing, guys. Here it comes. The Raptor is out of the box and it looks pretty nice, guys. It has a lot of details, like for example the front grille is pretty nicely detailed with Hot Wheels. It's nice. You can see the Ford letters there. It's really cool, guys, but it does miss the headlamp detailing. That's quite disappointing. And you have the side view mirrors, which is kind of nice, and the Ford Performance, which is written there. That's also cool. The interior is not half bad, but it should have improved a bit. And yeah, the decals look pretty shabby. I don't know whether it should look like that or whether it's Hot Wheels. Well, yeah. And you haven't got much of the back, guys. The back is kind of empty, which is disappointing, but it's okay. And the bed is also nice, has a lot of space there. Well, yeah, the interior is also cool, but the wheels, guys, the wheels are one thing to appreciate. It's really nice. The detailing on the wheels looks cool with all the tire treads and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So why don't we just go for the info now? It's time to know about it. And now it's time to talk Ford Ranger Raptor, guys, as it is the short info. So, talking about its horsepower first. The horsepower is 210 horsepower. Well, going on to the engine is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, which produces 210 horsepower, and it requires that diesel for that horsepower. And talking about the top speed, guys, the top speed is pretty decent. It's 105 miles per hour, which is 168 kilometers per hour. Not bad, I guess. Well, there it is, guys. That's the short info. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned. Bye now. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.